De er helt ude. Hold kæft, jeg ramte dit våben!
Target locked.
But you're using the looking through the
Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. I cannot wait to show you what's gonna happen because today's video is filled with funny moments, crazy shots, airsoft drama, and everything just culminates in a crazy clusterfuck, and it's gonna be absolutely amazing. So remember to stay all the way to the end to see all the amazing things. Enjoy. Yo, I forgot to tell you, but we have one of the most amazing and awesome airsoft communities on all of YouTube. So if you want to be a part of the Discord, join it. The link is in the description. You're probably wondering what's the game plan? Well, as usually, destroy the other team and eliminate all the players. Ja, du ramt. No matter who hits you, you are dead. Ramt. Okay, du ikke ramt mig. En foran dig! I realize a lot of the really strong players are holding one side, so let's go to the opposite side and flank them. As I take out a bunch of people, I feel more confident and I push closer. I get taken out, but let's get straight back into action. De er helt ude. Hold kæft, jeg ramte dit våben! Hey, film up here. Yo, do you also have a baby, an airsoft gun you care about way too much like me? Are you also addicted to airsoft? Well, if you have a Ferrari like me, maybe you should have the right BBs. And I've chosen to team up with Nimrod BBs because this is some of the best results I've ever had. I mean, you can see it in the video. I don't know, like, that should be proving that's not fake, but Nimrod BB 40s or the lightweight ones, they're pretty good. Very nice. Thought I would change up my tactic a little bit. Instead of chasing them, I will let them come to me. When you're using the Wolverine MTW with the Umbrella Armory R-Hub, you're so superior that almost no one can reach you. As I was camping like a little girl, they all came for me and managed to take me out. Anyways, let's get them back.
Hey, hey.
Since I'm pretty much all the way in the spawn, I'm just gonna get a few kills and get away. Trying to take an Overwatch position to find out what my next move is.
Der så sekunder.
About now is where I think it's the best time to push, so let's do it. I'm waiting for the next opening so I can flank them from the side and get even closer. A spot opened up, now's my time.
Jeg fik Mads lige i hovedet. Lige i hovedet, det skud.
After shooting a bunch of people, I can see that people are trying to get back at me now, so it's time to move on.
Ja.
Target locked.
This guy got super salty. I looked through the fence and shot him because of it, but hey, it's a part of the field and there's no rules against it, so play smarter, get shot.
Whoa.
Isn't it funny? I still get surprised how accurate my MTW is.
Fuck dig, Jonas!
After getting taken out, I decided to go with a different angle to see if I can surprise them.
Han er død. Hvem fuck har fucket med mit hus?
You remember how it went when I just let them come to me last time? Well, let's do it again.
Han er død! Han er død!
That felt good.
Mads stod herude. Ja. Han er nede i bånd.
At this point, we're completely surrounded and the enemy has to plant the bomb, but we just need to hold them as long as possible.
Nede i bånd. Du må ikke kaste bomben! Du må ikke kaste...
You can hear I'm getting full autoed by a bunch of different people, so this is dangerous. I just want to remind you, if you stay all the way to the end, you will see an amazing bonus clip. To end the game, you have to speak over the radio, so the alarm goes off, but I don't know why they're yelling ceasefire.
Who just pull auto this way? Sorry? Who just pull auto this way?
Hvad er der sket? Jamen, I må ikke kaste den. Der var også nogen, der kastede bomben. Det må man heller ikke. Whatever, jeg er ligeglad. Jamen, det er lige meget, vi er vant på tid. Men de har jo ikke ringet ud, jo.
Nej, men det er også det.
De skal ringe ud, jo.
Jeg har ikke ringet ud.
Prøv lige at sig når jeg er betantet.
Jeg har ikke ringet ud, det er derfor. Så bliver vi øget.
What the fuck? Vi smadrede den.
Ja, fuck, jeg er super, mand.
What?
For 6 mennesker.
Vi smadrede dem fuldstændig. Det var kun os to.
As you can see, me and my teammate managed to hold off an entire team which was unorganized, and they got really mad because they're confused, angry, and couldn't plant the bomb properly. But hey, remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and see you next time.